4 simple steps that will help you remove fat naturally. Losing weight is not easy and it sometimes can be expensive, especially if the dieters cannot wait to see a fast result being slimmer and sexy. Everywhere you look, quick weight loss diets are being offered as the solution to weight problems. A lot of people put their hope in these programs but end up bitterly disappointed because they didn't follow a few common sense guidelines. The following essential tips will help you to shed those pounds easily and quickly and are a perfect supplement to any diet program you may currently be on. 1. Keep moving. Your present weight loss programs are probably teaching you some important information about your diet and what foods you can and can't eat. This is great, and is a vital step to losing weight. The other side of the coin, however, is, increasing the amount of energy we consume increases the amount of fat that burn. The best way to do this is to keep the body moving. 2. Eat regularly. When people are on a diet they think that they have to stop eating. The truth is sometimes all it takes is learning to divide up our meals into smaller portions and eat more regularly throughout the day. It is also preferable to eat a good-sized breakfast and make your dinner small so you are not storing this food as fat when you go to sleep. Before we continue, please don't forget to click the link at the description below to get your free copy of Favorite Dessert 27 Delicious Recipe that quickly burn fat. 3. Eat healthy. It may sound simple but many do not know what this means. Most weight loss programs will have their own do's and don'ts, so learn from the professionals who have designed your program. What you eat is important and would act as a counterbalance to your exercises. Eat healthy foods, then burn off excess fat through exercise. Healthy foods include things such as vegetables, fruits and proteins such as turkey, chicken and other red meats. Do not assume that meat is bad, since it is needed by the body. The only thing you need to make certain is that you avoid eating the fat. 4. Stay motivated and focus. Motivation is just as important as any quick weight loss program you may be on. In fact, it doesn't matter if the program is good, if you lose your motivation it's not going to do you any good. Losing weight after all is not easy, but hang in there and you will see results. Find something to keep you focused. Maybe it's some clothes you would like to fit into or being fit enough to ride your bike to work. Whatever it is, stick with the program. Your body is worth taking care of.